Parang 2 years ago sa Davao, I finished second place. And Mimosa, I think, second place din. Actually, hindi. Medyo ingat lang, kaya walang bogey. Tapos, lessen the mistakes lang talaga. So, yung goal lang today was to hit the fairway, tapos hit the green, tapos then doon na lang it's either maging aggressive sa putt or pa 2 putts lang.
Expect, hindi naman. Target ko lang talaga today, even pa nag-click sa laro ko ngayon. Driving, putting, short game, putting talaga. Sobrang ganda.
Today, driving, maganda driving. Then, putting, syempre, hindi ka magpo-birdie kung hindi maganda yung putting mo. So, at least, then, the important lang is, I put it in the fairway, tapos yun. Tapos, I gave myself chances to make birdies. So, very good today, very good.
Ganda yung green, bumabait, tsaka ganda ng fairway.
Yeah, same lang. So, hit the fairway, hit the green, tapos don't get ahead of myself sa the next coming rounds. So, yun lang.
Sa average ng mga putt ko, 13 putt, 12, malapit lang sa 16, mga 5. Game plan ko tomorrow, same lang, today. Shoutout pala sa Cowboys, Ma'am Donna, RG Gopez, at saka sa sponsor ko, South Pacific at saka Apple. Maraming salamat.